Hello, this is Calvin's friends. So today I want to present to you a very important tool that is the joint exam analysis system. Most schools will always do joints. They come together, they do some joint. Okay, so this tool will help teachers conduct the analysis as fast as possible. Okay, so let me show you how this tool works. So the first thing we can log in. We can log in, so we put in our username, then the password. So after that, you are able to log in. As you can see, in system, this dashboard, all right? This dashboard, as you're able to see, it has various modules, various things that you can do. Here you can import sheets. Remember, we are just going to import the sheets for schools where the marks are. Okay, this is where you do the setting of the grades. So grading system, all right? So you can put the previous or the current grading system. The previous one is where we were having compulsory subjects, okay, two sciences, and then at least one humanity. Then any whichever you choose, the system will just pick on that, right? So here you register schools. You have to register schools first. So already we have 8 schools in the system. So you register them, you put the school code, school name, and the school form, right? The school form here will help us actually send the SMS to the principals for those schools which are participating. They will receive instant grade analysis for their schools, all right? So that's very important. Then here we generate reports. Here we do the backup system. Here we exist, we log out, we minimize, we can view database, we can update the joint name here. We can also, as I've said, we can send the SMS, all right? Then we can clear data. So the first thing that we need to do after logging in, let us clear everything that may be in this particular system. So are you sure you wish to clear all data? Yes, I want to clear all data. So after it has cleared, it will notify us. As you can see, it's already notified us. So we do validate. So now let us now import sheets. So should have the sheets ready with all the marks, right? So you come here and maneuver to the folders where your sheets have been kept. So mine have been kept in this folder here. So you can see each and every school has their mark sheet in form of Excel format, and the code numbers have been used here to save this particular Excel sheets. All right. So the Excel sheet, that sheet where you are going to have the marks, it must be named mark sheet. Okay, must be named mark sheet. So let us import. So we are importing this first one, 121. This system is very fast, reliable, and accurate. So you can see. We go to the second one, go to, you can see the third one, 207. See 208, 208. So we are importing the list. Those lists have marks, all right? 210, 214, right? 219. So then we have to ensure that the headers, as you are able to see here, please ensure your list is in Excel format with the right headers on a sheet named mark sheet, right? So the last one here, so colleagues have imported all the sheets for those schools with marks. So we are ready to analyze, we are ready to generate. We can now generate reports. If you like, you can ensure that the principals get the grade analysis of their schools. Okay, so you can come here and click this one. When you click this one, all the principals will receive the SMSs instantly, giving them the grade, summary of the grades. Okay, all right. So let us generate reports. So we can start with the overall merit list. So overall merit list, it will be saved in the desktop. All right. Then now, after saving, it will display to us. So you can see it has been displayed. Let me zoom in. So you can see, very nice, very nice. This is the header. Okay. So you can see we have overall position here. Then we have subjects taken by the student, points, grade. So you can see this is the code, the school name, gender of the student, right? So it's a comprehensive report, you can see. So this is the overall grade analysis, carrying all the schools. These students, either they didn't do all the exams, all right, or they didn't sit for the very compulsory subjects like English or maybe maths, right? So you can see they are having X. So that is the overall grade. Oh, this is the overall merit list. So you can see, very nice. So it has been saved on the desktop. So the next one we are going to generate for schools. Let me generate for maybe one school, merit list for one school. You can generate for all the schools. So to save time, you can see this for one school, right? This for just one school. You can see there are 17 students, and you can see the name of the school is here. Everything is there. The positions, well done, well done. So you can see very accurate. The points are given here very accurately, right? And you can see it's very nice. So that's for school. So you can generate for the next school, all right, and so on. All the schools you can generate for each and everyone for them, all right. So you can also have what you call school subject grade analysis. The school subject grade analysis here will have grade analysis for the subjects, right? So it is here, so you can look at it. It's very nice. This school subject grade analysis, where now we have this particular school, these are the subjects, and these are the subject ranking, and these are the grade analysis. Okay, so you can see it is for all the schools which participated, right? You can see for all the schools. Very nice, very nice. So you can see it gives us subject grade analysis in terms of male, female. All the grades are analyzed in terms of males and female, and then the mean score given on this side, the grades on this side, subjects here, the entry here, the gender, male, female, the performance index here. So it's a very nice and comprehensive report for subject analysis, all right? So that is subject analysis. Then we have another type of report is school subject ranking, where we are ranking schools in those subjects. So you can see here school subject ranking. So for example, in English here, you can see these schools have performed, how they have performed, it's here. So you can view how they have performed in English. This school here is number 1, Apondo, all right? So you can see, and their mean score is here and the grade is here. So in Kiswahili, same. So up to the last subject which they took. So we also have business studies. So you can see subject, school ranking per subject, right? So that's very nice. Then you go to another type of analysis, that is top 10 overall. The top 10 overall will give us the best top of the best 10 students, and you can see. So this one is already displayed, as you're able to see top 10. Top 10, you can see these are top 10 students. This is the subjects entry, points, grade, overall position, then the position here, the top 10, and then here you can see we are having schools analysis of number in top 10 from each school. So you find that this school here has got 0 in top 10. This school here has got 2 students in top 10. The school with the highest number in top 10 is Apondo with 6, right? As you're able to see. Then down here, we have grade analysis in the top 10. So there's no A, there's 1A minus, there are 4B pluses, and so on and so forth, up to E. So those are grade analysis in top 10. You can see, very nice. Okay, then we look at another type of analysis called top 10 by gender. So here we look at top 10 boys and top 10 girls. So we're able to generate that instantly. See, we have already top 10 boys. These are top 10 boys. Okay, and then we have top 10 girls down there, top 10 girls. So this list here is for top 10 and top 10, that is top 10 boys and top 10 girls, the best performer, right? Very nice. So then we also have lastly here subject champions, right? So just like I was saying, the subject champions here, these are the best 10, okay, in each and every subject. So let us generate subject champions. So we are putting in the desktop there. So now when you look at this particular analysis, you can see it has already generated. It's already generated. So we have top 10. Sorry, let me zoom it in well. So we have top 10 overall in English, right? So you can see this top 10 overall in English here. We have their schools, we have the overall position, then we have position in this particular analysis. So we have the names here, then their index number, the gender here, score, and then the grade. So that is English. Then the next one is Kiswahili, top 10. So we have for all the subjects, you can see here subject champions continued because this is another next page. So you just have all those. So you can see, very nice, very nice. Subjects, we have champions, right? So it will give you subject champions in that manner. So those are the analysis that we are able to generate for this particular joint exam, right? If you want to backup, you just click here. Then it will ask you, are you sure you wish to create backup copy of this system? Yes. When you say yes, you are sure you are going to back it up maybe on the desktop. So after that, we are going to see that the copy has been produced and saved on your desktop. And you can see that's very nice. So you can as well log out if you like. You can log out like this. Okay, so if you log out like that, you're able to log in again. So you can see we have these are the analysis that we were generating. You can see them here, and then this is the backup that we have just created. Very nice. All right, these are backup copies. These are backup copy, right? So you can always log in again if you want. If you want to log in again, you just go back there. And that is very nice. That's very nice. So you can also minimize. You can also minimize. If you minimize, this is what we have. Then you can also, that means you want to minimize and do other things like that. So you can also come back there and go back to where you want. So you can just put the same credentials to take you back to the dashboard. All right. So you can see we're back here. So here you can update the joint name. You just come here and change this one to whichever name of the joint you are taking. All right. Okay. So sending SMS here, you are also able to send SMS. My phone here. I want to have just my phone number there, and then we are going to send. We are going to send. So now we have so that one. So here you just come to send SMS. You do the SMS setup as usual. First and foremost, you are going to do SMS setup. You put the access token, then I've connected my phone, so syncing is on. So you put the access token, then the device ID here. Then you save the two. After that, you're good to go. You can now send SMS. If you click like that, you will wait until it sends the SMS for the 8 school principals. All right. So I was using my number, and actually I received an SMS I've received SMS for Orinde, Kojuach, Atemo, Dennis. Those are the schools I used my phone number. The results are here with me. So that is very nice. That's very nice. That's another very good thing about this tool, that it can send SMSs to the school principals, validating the SMS sending. Okay, so we can now exit. Are you sure you wish to exit? Yes. So that is great.